Three different situations, three different hairstyles. The current hairstyle which you are seeing on your screen is a scrunchy hairstyle or a rubber tie hairstyle. You just have to twist your hair into this scrunchy or the rubber and you are ready to go. You can also try this hairstyle at your workplace or everyday look or to a party as well. This hairstyle will never disappoint you and I totally love this hairstyle. You must try it out. Also, the benefit of this hairstyle is that this looks good on short, medium, or long hair. So, if you have any length of the hair, you can try. Next spot is shared by this very pretty cute hairstyle which is a bow hairstyle. This is just a bow which is tied or sticked on the backside of a clip. You just have to clip it on and you are ready to go. I love this hairstyle because I can try it out at the parties without much of the efforts. Just take your hair back and clip it out. The third and the last sport which I am sharing with you is this bun hairstyle, which you can also try with the bow or without a bow. Both of them look completely phenomenal. I personally like this bun hairstyle with a braided look as this gives a more definition to your hair. So this one is also very easy to try. You just have to braid your hair first and this then round them up, secure them tightly or loosely as you want and just at the last secure them with a pin and you are ready with your hairstyle. So thank you for watching this video and if you like it please share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel.